Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, A Day in the Life of Rhea. Thanks for stopping by and tuning in, and welcome to today's video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. It is almost 2 weeks into Vlogmas. Anyways, today I am so excited, as I've been saying all week long. I'm so excited for today because my friend is making me a personalized stocking. I feel so special. She's been including me in her family festivities for Christmas, so I'm definitely in the spirit. So if you would like to see how this process goes, then keep on watching. That's for the tree? Mm-hmm. It's done that quick?
Yep.
Wow.
That's the tree. So the next thing I do should be
And this is for the bell.
okay.
Is that the bell or the snowflake?
Snowflake and the bell.
Oh, that's why it's taking so long.
Yeah, the snowflake's got all the little
I know. Goodness.
parts.
That's why I figured it was a snowflake.
Let me see.
They tell you how long we got.
What's gonna be in there?
Oh, wow. It's only about a quarter of the way done.
Yes.
Guess I go eat my hot dog and my eggs real quick and come back. This for the name, right? This one for the name? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. That's pretty.
Man, to do these.
The snowflake? Oh my goodness. You have to put glue on there since it's like fuzzy stocking material. It just stick on the stocking?
Gotta iron it on.
Oh, okay. I forgot. How many is it?
3.
Oh, okay. Get all them little pieces out. Oh my god.
I can barely see where to pull at.
Oh, that's a tedious process.
Yep, but it'll look good when you're done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's finished.
Yes.
Wow. Is it gonna fit? finished. Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you. That's so pretty. I got it. I feel so special. And you gotta redo the board, you said? Like the stockings on there?
Huh?
You said you gotta redo that part? Like, oh wow. All done. I feel so special. So yeah, if you made it this far, I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.